inertia, under pressure, 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 inertia, under pressure. Inertia, under pressure.
What's up? What's up? What's up, chat? We're back. It's Wild Wednesdays. This morning, the Nasdaq making a big old move here. Wow. Big old move in the Nasdaq here. What's up? What's up? What's good? What's good? You know how we do. I've already made too much money today. I gotta quit. I gotta quit, chat. I'm gonna have to walk away. Just walk away. Check this out. Bought the dip down here off that 260 level, sold that, took a short here in my cash account. We're up $6,000 this morning in my real money live account right here. Ooh, buddy. You gotta love that. You gotta love when that happens. You gotta love that. You gotta love when that happens, chat. That's a real nice little easy morning there. And my account performance, oh, buddy. Right now, we're on a streak right now. We're up 87,000. 87,000 in this account. Running it up here. Running it. Rip, 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 rip. You can see back there on the 18th. Just do. And then right now, run it up there. So, I might just be done for the day. I don't even know. Why trade now? You know, why fuck around with it? No reason to fuck around with it, chat. When am I gonna pay myself? Probably at some point. Right now, the Nasdaq bouncing there, 260s bouncing. It's time to party. All right. Who's in the green? Who's in the red? It's okay. It's okay to say it. It's okay. It's okay to admit it.
Let's go dancing. I wanna go dancing with you all night dancing.
All right. Taking a look here at the hourly chart. Look where we went to. We've got Monday's low there. We're holding up right now. Monday's low. Is this going to be the low of the day now? I don't need the audio. No speaking. Are we going to fill the gap back down here? This gap? 18. I don't know. It's far away. Someone said it's possible that we pull all the way back down there to fill that gap. Oh, don't say that. That's about 700 points to the downside to fill that gap there. I don't think that's going to happen. I mean, maybe. Maybe not today. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know about all that. I don't know about all that. I don't know about all that. It is the last day of the month. Last day of the month. You're not wrong. That month. Look at that monthly candle. I don't know. I feel like it just makes more sense to like kind of build out a bull flag here on the daily chart now. Hard to say. Either way, we got plenty of time here. The market isn't even open yet, and it's already moving. It's already moving, baby. It's already moving. We do have yesterday's close all the way up there, 19,640, yesterday's close. Right now, the Nasdaq just dumping down here pre-market. Dumping down. Little bear flag there playing out below this like 300 level. We got that pivot point there, 260s. And then you can see there's some support here, like that 260 area, Monday low, that 220 area. So let's see what they do, man. You know, it's anything's possible. It's anything's possible. All I know is, you know, patience is gonna pay today, baby. Patience. The Simpsons predicted that in April 30th, 2025, something bad will happen. Oh, man. Oh, shit. Well, if the Simpsons predicted it, then I guess, I guess they predicted it. Right? I mean, the ES, the Nasdaq, everything just kind of selling on back down here now. The ES right now, moving down there as well. We've got yesterday's close up there. ES right now, 5,583 for the ES. So ES is down, Nasdaq down. It's not just Nasdaq. It's the whole market right now pulling back with those numbers this morning. We had some big numbers, GDP numbers. GDP numbers here pulling back. And as well with the Nasdaq pulling back there as well. So we got some action today. The market's moving. It's time to make some money. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button, blow it up. It's free to like, free to subscribe. We can see we got a pivot point down there on the where is it? Sorry, on the Nasdaq. Pivot point on the Nasdaq. We're bouncing off that pivot point right now. 19,259's there. 19,259 bouncing. Let's see what happens there. Joseph, we got 850K Apex accounts. Little legend. If you check out the onlyprofirms.com website, see what the news is today. Let's see what we got for news and all that fun stuff right now. We got, well, that news just came out. We got Chicago PMI number at 9:45, and then we got pending home sales. Pending sales change, some other numbers, PCE numbers there at 10 o'clock. So we got 9:45 numbers. We got 10 o'clock numbers. We got a lot of numbers this morning. We had the GDP numbers come out this morning as well. So GDP came out, and I guess for the first time ever, we're getting to a point where the GDP is contracting. Yeah, so doesn't even show the thing, but that was the news. U.S. economy contracts for the first time since 2022. Ooh, buddy. No camera. Turn it on, camera. Oh, no camera. No camera today. What the fuck? Never mind. No cameras. So that was the big news this morning. GDP news. We've got the PMI news there at 9:45, and then 10 o'clock news here today. And then tomorrow, we got initial jobless claims. We got non-farm payroll on Friday there. So we got a lot of numbers this week, baby. I will not be live. Maybe I might be live tomorrow morning. I'm not sure yet. I got to figure that out. If I get everything moved tonight, then I won't need to miss tomorrow. So I'm going to try. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed, baby. So that was the big news this morning. Onlyprofirms.com. It's a free calendar on there. We got all that stuff going on. Let's see what we got for the best deals right now in the prop firm space. You can go there to onlyprofirms.com, comparison chart, and compare the best deals in the industry. The best deals. What do we got? Let's look at the 50K account right now. 50K account, the best deal right now, well, it looks like still very similar to the other day. The Funded Futures Network is $75. They don't have Tradeovate, so that might be a problem for some people. And then we've got My Funded Futures. We've got Tradeify right there below $100. But then it's funny because if you go to the 150K account, or if you go to the larger accounts, the price, like the 300K account, is cheapest from, I think Apex is cheapest there. And then like the 150K account, Apex is cheapest. If you look right now, the last day of the sale, it's $189 for the 150K Apex account. So we are getting ready for market open here, just sitting back, waiting, watching, getting prepared. We're right there at that pivot point for now. Big move down this morning. Will we keep going lower? I don't know, chat. I don't know. I'm not going to say this is the bottom, but I don't know. I don't know. I mean, I don't know. It does feel like we need to kind of push back up here a little bit. 4-hour candle right now just took out all of this. We're almost to that Friday low now. Moon or Mars says 1900 by the end of 19,000 by end of day. All right. Hey, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens, you know. All we can do is just see what happens. Ugh. If you're just now tuning in, made a little bit of money this morning in my cash account. We're up $6,000 in the cash account. You can see the trades here. Took a little short there. Try to get a bounce off that pivot point. Made a little bit of money on that. And then now we're flat. So this is my cash account right now. You can see total balance in the account is $133,000. $133,000 today. And my account performance here, we're up 87,000% in the last half of the month basically here. So cash account making some money. We'll see if we can make some more money here in some other accounts later on. Maybe some Apex accounts, blow them up. And like up, not down, up preferably. So Joel, personally, does that feel better than when you're up in the prop accounts? No. Not really, I don't really feel different, to be honest. Money's money. Prop account, real account, it's money. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I don't really think about it. I don't know. I don't know. I haven't really thought about it. Patrick, what got you into trading? Wolf of Wall Street, baby. I wanted to be Jordan Belfort. Rich. I want to be rich, rich, rich. Stephanie, what's the minimum balance that you recommend starting with on a cash account? That's really hard to say because it really depends on kind of your style of trading. But honestly, probably minimum 10,000. But you're also like, you got to trade micros. I started out with 50,000 in that account. Yes, the taxes are much better. Taxes are much better with the cash account versus the prop firms. Prop firms, you get paid as a 1099. Oh, loady. All right, I got about 18 minutes here till market open. Big move down this morning. I feel like we got to get some type of retracement back up. You know, just some type of push back up. Do people really want to get short down here at the lows right now? I don't know. Patrick, why don't you open an investment firm? Why? Why would I? I make enough money by myself. I don't need to have an investment firm. People, you don't understand. I'm trying to do less work. I'm not trying to have a real job, you know? I'm not trying to have a real job. I'm trying to have no job. The last thing I want to do is have a real job. The whole point of making fucking money is to not have to work. If you open a investment firm, now you have a job. I want to avoid that, you know? My goal is to not work. My goal is to make money. Yeah, people always ask me, Patrick, why don't you do this? Why don't you do this? Patrick, do this. Patrick, why don't you do this? Why don't you do this? I'm like, well, what? I don't want to do any of that. I want to make money. All right, Nasdaq's dipping down here, stuck below that EMA. Look at the EMA cross here earlier. Was it a coincidence? I don't know. I don't know. The 2-minute EMA crossed up there at the 19,570s. And we have dumped down about 300 points here before market opens. Sintra, why are you so angry? I don't know. Get the fuck out of here. God, who are these fucking people? Well, I don't owe you shit. I'm not your fucking little monkey. Just ask a question. I'm gonna answer the way that you want. You asked me why I don't start an investment firm, and I told you I don't want to fucking start anything. I want to make money, and then I want to travel the world, and then I don't. You know what I mean? Like that's all I want to do. I just want to make a bunch of fucking money. I don't want to start a fucking investment firm. I don't want to start a fucking hedge fund. I don't want to start nothing. I already make millions of dollars. I made $1 million last month. I made $1 million last month. Why would I do anything else at this point? God, just let me make money. I started a YouTube channel. I started it fucking 8 years ago. And now I'm ready to retire. I'm ready retired, motherfuckers. How long until I stop doing YouTube? I don't know. I've talked about it too many times, but at some point, one day, if I could have if I had $10 million in the bank, 10 million, liquid, then I think I'd be good to go. I could retire at that point. That would be my goal. 10 million, I'm good. 10 million, I can live the rest of my life and never have to give one fuck about anything, That's all. 10 million, baby. Little pushback up here, that 5-minute chart, Nasdaq trying to get back above that 270 area. Like I said, I feel like there's got to be some type of little pushback up here. But hey, we've seen it before. Brian said 10 million, then you want 20 million. No. Yeah, but I'm gonna trade. I'm not gonna not ever trade again. When I say I want to stop doing YouTube, it doesn't mean I'm going to stop trading. I'm going to trade forever. But I think if I had 10 million cash, then I could trade and live and travel and just do whatever the fuck I want to do every day. That's the goal. Make money, baby. LMNO. Maybe stop spending money on dumb things to save up for your 10 million. LMNO. How much money do you have? Exactly. 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 I'm not trying to just, like, that's what you don't understand. I'm not trying to save up. You can't just save up $10 million in your bank account, you fucks. God. You don't just save up money. Like, I bought the cars. The cars are all paid off. That's part of my 10 million. I already got 1.5 million in cars. That's like, when I say 10 million, I'm not like, oh, I want $10 million in my savings account. I want like $10 million of like fucking money. I pay $5,000 a month rent. Relax. Gonna be an interesting open here. Very interesting open. This big move down. We got 9:45 numbers. We got 10 o'clock numbers. It's gonna get wild. It's gonna get crazy. Oh God, I'm not even in the mood right now to fucking even talk about why I rent. We are not even going to fucking get into that right now. I am not talking to a bunch of fucking broke people about why I rent. Okay, I'm not doing it. You fucking idiots. It's very simple math. Where I live at, let's do the math really quickly. Where I live, property taxes on the house that I live in is $37,000 a year. Okay, so do the math on that, right? Property taxes, $37,000 a year. Are we doing the math on this? 37,000 divided by 12. That's $3,000 a month in property taxes. I pay $5,000 a month in rent. A mortgage on a $2 million house. How much is that gonna be? Think about it, people. Fucking use your brain. I am literally living for free. I am living for free. Literally. Yes. If people are like, Patrick, go buy a house. Patrick, why don't you buy a house? Why would I? It's not a good financial decision for me. I don't need my value of my house to rise in value to be rich. I'm already rich. I already have cash. I'm already going. I paid $1 million in taxes last year. I'll be okay, people. Just relax. God. Two-tone trades. Hey, two-tones. Let's do the math here, you dumb fuck. You doubled the money on your house. Okay. So let's say this. Let's say you sell your house today. What the fuck are you gonna buy for half the price of your house? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Exactly. I doubled the price of my house. Yeah, well, everybody's fucking house doubled. What are you going to do? God, it's amazing. Someone's like, man, my house is doubled in price. I was like, wow. Okay, so sell your house for double the price that you bought it for, and then go buy another house. And let's see how that goes. You know? Let's see how that goes. Exactly. All right, very clear. What do we got? Hourly chart. We got support. Will this be support here? We've been in this kind of sideways move here. Boom. There it is, the trade. Fucking detailer, guys. I gotta move my car. If I still got 7 minutes here until market opens. Am I gonna miss the market open right now? Am I gonna miss the market open? I don't know. Oh, fuck it. YOLO. All right, the detailers are here. I gotta get my McLaren detailed. It's all dirty. I drove it to West Palm over the weekend, and it's got bugs on it and dirt on it and all that. So, all right, right now, like I said, the hourly chart. There's some support down here. We got the 15-minute. We got a pivot point there as well. I think we got to get some type of little pushback up here at open. You know, just that big move down. Some buyers are gonna step in here. Just the fact of, you know, are the shorts gonna short all the way down here? Probably not. You know, I wouldn't. If I was shorting up here, would I continue shorting out here? No, I'd probably take some money. Right? I'd probably take a little bit of profit here. So we got about 4 minutes here till market opens. And getting ready to go. How's the Lambo? The Lambo's running again. That's a good start. So always a good sign when it starts running again. I put a new motor in the Lamborghini Aventador. All right, that daily candle took out all these, the low 232. We could go maybe a little lower to swipe that daily candle, but that's the daily candle right now. We're down here at the low of the daily candle. Let's see what happens here at open. Patience, my friends. Let's make some money. Let's make some money. Let's make some money. And get it ready. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Get it, get it, get it. Let's see what happens here at open. Last day of the month. Anything's possible. Last day of the month. It's time to party. If you guys have already hit that like button, subscribe button, blow up that like button. Come on now. Let's get it going. Let's get it going here. Someone says definitely going down. Okay, definitely. Do you guarantee that? Look at the monthly candle. Look at it. Would you look at that monthly candle? I think right now at open, that 300 level is going to be that key level. If the bulls kind of just rip it straight up here, try to squeeze out some shorts above that 300 level. We got news at 10 o'clock, news at 9:45. Count it down with me, chat. 20 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Testing that pivot point down there, 250s. That 250 needs a hold for the bulls. Below 250 could be trouble here. Still holding that 250 level. Still bouncing the 250s. And there's trouble. Testing that low now. Took out the low there for a second. Back up. This market's chopping around here. 230s now. Getting some buyers trying to push off that 240, but just can't get off there. Not good. Not good so far. Now they're stuck below that pivot point there. They're at the 260s. Buyers trying to step in there to hold it up. Back up there to test the EMAs again. If they can get it back above 300s, things get interesting, right? Things get interesting. Little kind of like, I feel like they want to push this back up here. Let's see what happens above like that 280, 300 level. There's a little pushy push. 300s trying to break out there next. Got to get through that 320s or so, 340s maybe. Testing 300s again. Oh my Lord. Little tight range here so far, stuck in the range there. All right, so they can't get it above 300s. And they can't make a new low. Something's got to break here. We got 9:45 news. Back to test that 280s again. We're just right there at that 250 area, holding up for now. The low again getting tested here. Not looking good for the Bulls. Got a pivot point down there at the 141s. We got this low from Friday down there, 217s now. We got that 9:45 news and 10 o'clock news coming out next. Right now, the Nasdaq just kind of stuck here. Well, big move down this morning. It's like fucking hard to get short out here, but 19,200 break. Just sitting down there at the 200s now. Nasdaq just going straight down. Straight down, Lieutenant Dan. Damn. Nasdaq just dipping down, dipping down. Gotta wait for some type of like pushback up here for a short, right? There's that pivot point right there. We're touching now 141s. Trying to be patient here. Little squeeze back up there off that pivot for now. Little push back up. Need like, if we could just get a little bit of a push back up here for a bear flag, maybe. Would be nice, right? Right off that pivot point there now. Bouncing back up. 142s. There's that 945 news. All right, we pushed right into that EMA there. Still no. It's hard looking at this fucking hourly chart right now and being like, I'm gonna get short here after we just took out Friday low, Monday low, Tuesday low. You know? We got a huge opening range. The middle of the 15-minute range is 220s. Just keep battling that EMA there. You got to get above this fucking EMA there. We got more news at 10 o'clock. There's that little pushback up there into the 200s again. Now that we got our opening range set, we got to, I mean, 10 o'clock news is, we're right here anyway. Might as well wait. 12 minutes until 10 o'clock news. I mean, we might as well wait for it. How are my pivots set up? Pivot points standard on TradingView. Very simple, very easy. I don't go crazy with anything really. I don't go crazy with nothing, you know, nothing crazy, nothing crazy. All right, Nasdaq back to the middle of the 15-minute range here. Let's see how this plays now. We got that 10. I mean, I'm like sitting here looking at this like, okay, do I want to, you know, do I want to start fucking with it? But I'd rather wait for, I guess, just let's let this news play out. We got 9 minutes of this news. We're right. I mean, this could be the perfect spot to get short at. We got stuck in the middle of the 15-minute range. We start to sell back down, take out that low next. How am I not shorting right here? I don't know. If only it was that easy, right? I mean, I don't know. I mean, if we didn't have that 10 o'clock news, I'd be short, but what? Well, did I miss it? Oh, man. Nasdaq stuck in the middle of the 15-minute range here. Everybody in the chat freaking out right now. Relax, chat. There's plenty of opportunity to come. Don't worry. Just relax. Relax. Everybody relax. God. Everyone in the chat freaking out. Mark Avaz says that I missed the move. What the fuck are you talking about, Mark? I already made money this morning. Why does everybody gotta talk shit? Literally. Everyone's gotta talk some shit, don't they? Everybody's gotta talk shit. Oh, Patrick, you missed the move. You might as well walk away now. You might as well quit, Patrick. You might as well not trade. How about this, Mark? How about you go fuck yourself? Patrick, you missed the move. You're only up $20,000 in a real money live account. Oh my God. How are you ever? What are you? Patrick, you suck. Patrick, you suck. I missed the move. Oh no. What will I ever do? Oh my God. I'm up $100,000 in the last 10 days. Oh my God. What am I ever gonna do? Oh. Oh. Nasdaq testing that pivot point again. Looking heavy here. Took out the low there. Fucking this sucks. This news is coming out in like 4 minutes here. 4 minutes till the news. Four fucking minutes, boys. Hey, like I said, there's the bear flag. I mean, I'm not gonna like. I did not say that it wasn't a bear flag. I wasn't like, oh my God, it's not gonna go lower. It's hard for me to get short right there with that news coming out. I don't fucking know, man. Just trying to have some kind of rules here, people. You know, like let's all relax. I mean, the way I look at it too is like I didn't miss anything. Like, what did I miss? The market moved. Wow, who cares? Like, okay, now I wait for the next like good setup. Who the fuck? Like, who cares? It's crazy. There's more moves coming. Don't worry. And hey, if you made money on this short right there, awesome. Congratulations. Like, I'm happy for you. I'm very, like, trust me, I'm happy. I'm not mad. It don't make me mad that someone made money on a short there. I'm all for it. Hey, if you take a short and you make money and I don't take the same trade, like, congratulations. You fucking win. I lose. I don't know what to tell you. I mean, trading around the news, it gets tricky. You know, you have like today, yeah, it worked out. right? It was great. It worked out. Other times I've traded around the news and the market chops around and does stupid shit, and then it fucking stops me out, and then the news comes out and the market makes a move. So I've learned from experience that yes, I can take a trade before the news, but the majority of the time it's just not clean price action. So let it be. "30 seconds till the news comes out. Make your money. Put your trade on. Don't sit in the chat talking about it. Be about it, you know? Don't talk about it. Be about it, chat." All right, the news is out. Push back up there to the pivot point. Buyers stepping in here for now. Back up there into the 15-minute range. And there you go. Now back up there, 150s. Patience. ICT, tell us. Tell us how to make money. Patience, chat. Patience. Nice little rip back up here now. Kind of look like we can get back above that 200 level here. Maybe. ICT likes 19,300. Opening range high is that 305 level. We got Ruben in the chat. We got ICT in the chat. Who wins? Ruben wants it to go down. ICT said it's going to go up. Who's going to win? The battle of legends. The chat legends. Chat legends. 5-minute chart pushing back. We pushed back up like right below that 200 level, got stuck there. See what this next 5-minute candle kind of, if this fan, see where this 5-minute candle closes, could try to like break out through there. Needs to do something here quicker than later than shorter, longer than shorter. Shorter than longer. We're getting a little squeeze back up here. Testing that 80 level again there. Got to get right through that 80s. Try to get up there above the 200s next. We're like turning the EMAs into support, by the way. I think that's bullish, right? Trying to get up there to the 90s now. There's a buyer at 88, just got sold in 2. But it seems like the buyers are stepping in here, but just having trouble getting up there. Basically, that 190 level resistance for now. We got to get above that 190 level. If we get above that 190 level, I might look for a long up there above the 200s quickly. Like, well, like maybe the high of that candle right there. They're shaking them. Shaking and baking, baby. Will they push it right through there now? Fuck! Fuck! Brett Simba? Are you fucking kidding me? Fuck! 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 Wow, this is fucking bullshit. Where the fuck is going on with Tradeify bullshit right now? $10,000 closed. Are you fucking kidding me right now? Oh, that's so fucking like why? Why do I have that? Why do I have a fucking $10,000 limit on the day? Makes no sense. It makes no sense. It makes no sense. This is bullshit. Bullshit. So I got taken. I was looking for a push up here to the 230, 220 level, and it took me all out there at the 200s. It took one partial there, another partial there. You fucking kidding me? I hate my life. I hate my life right now. This is a live account with Tradeify. It's live. It's a real account, real money account. I don't know why that's a... Whatever. Well, whatever. I don't even have the 10K cap turned on. I got to talk to the risk manager and turn that off. That would have been another, 20, 30 points right there on 10 contracts. They're trying to keep me down, chat. They don't want me to fucking win. They don't want me to win, chat. They don't fucking want me to win. They don't want me to win. They're trying to keep me down. So, on Monday, I made 10,000. Was the top P&L with Tradeify. Not bad. And then I did it again yesterday as well. Number 2 on the chart there. So number 2 yesterday. Monday, number 1. Today, I'm thinking I'm probably going to be number 1 again. Fuck. Well, there's the Nasdaq, little pushback up here. We had our kind of idea of the little squeeze back up. Kind of like an inverse head and shoulders, by the way. You got this, you got this, you got this. And then the little fuzzies up here. Makes sense, right? Because the shorts down here, they're gonna get exploded. Pew, pew, pew. Basically, that's how it works.
Hi Patrick, I am in a live funded account. I don't know, I keep losing money these days. Down from 32K to 18K. I don't know what's gone wrong with me.
You're down from 32. Well, I mean, I don't know what's wrong with you either. I don't know, to be honest. Motherfuckers. God, I'm gonna cry myself to sleep tonight. I'm gonna cry myself to sleep. I'm gonna cry. I just wanna cry. I can't do this anymore. I might just only trade my regular account for now on for the rest of my life. No more. No more. No more funny business. Bro, what is going on right now? It's still go. I'm looking. I want to get a push through this pivot point here, possibly all the way to that high. I'm not. I'm fucking. I'll go all the way. I'm gonna go all the fucking way, chat. Just kidding. But maybe. I ain't ever selling. I ain't ever selling. I ain't ever selling. Don't tell me how to live my life, ever. Don't you tell me how to live my life. Don't you tell me how to live my life, chat. I might take a little bit of profit right here, actually. Let me sell a little bit right there. Okay, I'll take a little bit right there. Still got 12 contracts left. I'm letting this. I'm looking for 300 push or more. I don't really give a fuck. We're up 15,000 on just that one account right here. Oh, man. Oh, she's still going. Still going, chat. Through that pivot point there. Now I'm taking a little bit more profit. You know, I don't want to be silly here. I want to be silly. I want to be silly here with this. Oh, fuck. Now I'm being right there at that pivot point now. Maybe a little bit of a pullback. We retest the middle of that range again. I don't know. 19,300 target here. I'm trading the ICT strategy today, boys. I'm fading Ruben, and I'm trading with ICT. Yee, 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 yee. Oh, man. ICT is GOAT. GOAT. ICT, you're a GOAT. You goated, motherfucker. I figured out how I can get more famous. I could just tell everybody that I love ICT. And then more people will watch me. It's a great strategy. Hey, everybody, I love ICT. He's my favorite in the entire world. I want to be just like him when I grow up. Please follow my YouTube channel. You know what I'm actually thinking about? I'm thinking maybe I come out with an ICT fucking course. That right there, my friends, is fucking genius. Tell me that ain't genius. If I have an ICT course, I'm gonna make so much fucking money. He can sue you? He won't sue me. Why would he sue me? Am I in a sell or am I in a buy? Well, the market's going up right now and my P&L is going up, so I think I'm in a buy. I'm not 100% sure, but I think so. We gotta get through this pivot point there, obviously. Just kind of see if we can't go through that pivot point there next. Ooh, moment of truth here. Moment of truth. I want to see it push right through this 250 area. There we go. There we go, chat. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, by the way, I wasn't I'm copy trading 2 Apex accounts right now. 2 Apex accounts. 2 PA accounts, by the way. Two PA accounts. Ha! Locked in some profit there. I like it. I'm going to scale a little bit more right there. Lock that in. Put some more up here. Can you take me higher to a place with golden things? Can you take me higher? It's working. It's working. Woo! Woo! Time for some push-ups, boys. Let's get them in. Let's get them in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm out of breath. I'm out of breath. Huh. Me and El Chapo, we got real high yesterday. Real high. Whew. Oh. Oh God. Oh. Got too high yesterday. Trying to see. Whoo! Whoo, Chad. Whoo, buddy. I'm dead. I'm dead. All right, I want to see either like I want to go like straight up through here now, or I might just get out. Put another order right here at 64s. Oh, God. I'm gonna let the less. Got my stop here below 250 now, basically.
You bring back El Chapo, bro, was hilarious.
El Chapo! Chapo! We'll bring it back, maybe. Maybe. Whew. That was a lot. That was a lot of work there. We'll take some more right here at the 71s. Just to make sure. Oh, fuck. Something is fucked up with that copy trading there. That was weird. Why did it do like that? You guys saw that? It was weird with the copy trader. I took 2, but for some reason it got me. How did I have a buy there? How did I get a buy right there? What the fuck? Did I get, I got short somehow? That's really weird. There it goes. 290s now. Oh. I don't know why I closed it. That was too much. I mean, that's still 22,000 in one account, or 23,000 in one account, 24,000 in another account. So we locked in 10,000 in my Tradeify account. There's that 19,300 push. Ugh. Hey, I want to say something. Everybody's talking about how ICT was right, but let's be honest. Can we be honest? Can the chat actually be honest for once in your entire fucking life?
Best morning show ever while making money.
Let's just be honest. Did I not or did I not? I don't know. Did I? I'm trying to figure out. Did I talk about this going back up? Because I just want to make sure. Because sometimes I don't even know what I say half the time. I think I called it before ICT called it. You know? I mean, I don't know. I'm pretty sure I was like, hey, I'm looking for this push back up to the opening range high. So, I mean, again, I'm not trying to like sit here and be like, hey, I told you so. I'm really not. I'm like, I know it sounds funny because I'm doing that right now, but like, honestly, I'm not at all. This is not me sitting here. I just want to make sure that like people kind of heard the plan, right? Like the idea of why this would push back up here. That's all. That's the only reason that I'm saying it. I don't want credit. Don't give me credit. I just want to make sure that people watching this live stream kind of understood why I was looking for a pushback up there. Right? We drew the little fucking explosion. Right? The shorts got exploded on down there. Pew! And then the fucking longs got paid. Can we copy trade you or not? I mean, if I say, hey, if the market gets above 200, we're going to 300. I mean, take it as you will, I guess. So, I don't know. There's the push up there to the 300s now. What a move. Congratulations to everybody in the chat. Congratulations, we be making money. It's so funny. In the money, we're making money. It's so funny. Let's play it up, song. Let's play the song. Ooh.
My mama calls, see you on TV. Sunset shit don't change. Ever since I was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young, they said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hate and say we changing, look, we made it.
You know, hey, fuck everybody, right? Fuck everybody. Make money and then say fuck everybody, boys. Because we're making the money! Woo! Yeah.
Everything custom like I'm at the bar.
Hey.
If you fuck with me, would you ride us to the sky? How could I make sense when I got millions
In my mind.
coming with that bullshit? I just put it to the side. Bought a sense of baby, they could see it in my eyes. My mama called, see you on TV. Sunset shit don't change. Ever since it was wrong, I've been it on. Ever since I was young, they said I won't be nothing. Now we're going to get in there, congratulations.
was patient. Yeah.
I was
Patient. Hey, hey, hey.
that we made it.
Hey, hey, hey.
Everywhere I go, they say congratulations. Young nigga, graduation. I pick up the rock and I ball, baby. I'm looking for someone to
Call, baby.
But right now I got a situation. Never old being Franklin. Big rings, champagne. My life is like a ball game. But instead I'm in a trap though. Not so big, call it Super Bowl.
Hey.
Super Bowl, call the hoes. Get in the
Oh. Come on.
lifestyle. Hunch on the post.
Hey.
I got a
Hey.
Hey.
Hey. Hey. Hey. Hey. Hey. 300, baby. 19,300. Where you at, Ruben? Where you at, Ruben? Don't ever fade me. Don't ever fucking fade me. Don't do it. Yeah, we made it. Oh, yeah, we made it. Come on. Come on, chat. Come on. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you kidding? Oh, that was a good one.
Drinking party, yeah, we keep the lights low. I've been about mine all the way. Ice cold, what a nigga gotta say. Sipping on
God, it was too good. It's too good. I'm on coke. Yeah, bro. I'm on coke. It's called C4, you fucks. God. They be hating cause I be playing and I be making the money. God.
Ella Metro on that beat. I pull that down like to see you winning. They wanna see you in a penitentiary. I need me a little baby who gon' listen. Girl, I don't wanna be the one you ignorant. My mama told me, boy, make a decision. Right now I gotta keep a ton of vision. I need me a little baby who gon' listen.
There you go, chat. That's all you gotta worry about right there.
But call that down like to see you winning. They wanna see you in a penitentiary. I need me a little baby who gon' listen. Girl, I don't wanna be the one you ignorant. My mama told me, boy, make a decision. Right now I gotta keep a ton of
Bop, 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 bop. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey. $20,000 in the live money, fresh money account. That's a real money account. No prop for bullshit. Look at it. $147,000 balance. Winning. Yeah. Do you have a mentorship? No. You don't. Hey, somebody asked, do I have you don't need a mentorship. You don't. Just tune in this fucking live stream and just win with me. Right? Just win with me. You know, just win with me. You don't need a mentorship. Right? I have a $200 course. You can buy it if you want. I'm not going to tell you don't buy it, but like, you don't need it. Just tune into the fucking live stream. It's free. I'm literally here every day with you guys. Right? I am here with you. I am Spending money. I'm spending my own hard-earned money to build the BDH, to make it better, to bring guests in, to make this the #1 day trading live stream on YouTube, right? That's what we do here. You don't need to sign up for a mentorship. You don't need to buy a course. Just come to the fucking live stream. Be here every day, baby, because we're just winning. It hurts. Like my haters are selling courses. Tori Trades, she'll sell you a course, right? She will. For $4,000, you can learn how Tori Trades made $100,000 in 1 year trading, right? You can learn that if you want. You can go buy the Tori Trades course for $4,000 and you can learn how she made for $100,000, with 6 trades in 1 year. Like, oh my God, right? Or you could come and watch Patrick Wieland make 500 trades and make $100,000. You know? That's what you can do. That's what you can do, chat. Hey, if you're a YouTube guru, don't got this, if they ain't got no money, then run away. Because we here to make money. We're not here to be friends. I don't want to be friends with you guys. I want to make money with you motherfuckers. I want us all to be red-blooded killers. I want us to see the fucking bull flag and want to go. You know? That's what I'm trying to get to. Let's make that money and then get the fuck out of here. Make that money and then get the fuck out of here, chat. Look at that. That's how strong I am.
I was using the PA, and now in live funded, it's torture. Every day is red day.
Well, whatever you're doing, do the opposite. If every day is a red day, just do the exact opposite of whatever you're doing. Just do the exact fucking opposite, and every day will be green. So if you're shorting at the bottom, try to buy the bottom. If you're shorting, if you're buying the top, then try to buy the bottom. Like honestly, like I know it sounds fucked up. I'm not trying to be an asshole, but look at whatever you're doing and then just stop doing that. All right. So if every single day you're red, stop doing it. You know what I mean? Like just stop doing it. Just stop doing it. You know what I mean? Like I mean I don't know it's hard. Like I can't just sit here and be like, man, this is what you should do. You should do this and do this and do this because I don't really know what you're doing. But at the end of the day, if you're losing money every day consistently, then just like basically look at what you're doing and then try to do the opposite of that. I know that's like I'm honestly like not trying to be an asshole by any means. Like I'm just trying to be honest. Like just be like, hey, fuck, I trade every morning. I trade the opening candle and I lose. Right? Every morning I trade the opening candle and then I lose. So like what would be a good, how could you stop yourself from losing on the opening candle every morning? Like what could you do? What would be like a good plan? I don't know, maybe don't trade the opening candle. Right? Like that right there, that seems like the easiest fucking answer. Like, hey, Patrick, I lose every morning because I try to trade the open. And I'm like, well, I got a secret for you. How about this? Check this out, Don't do it. I went through that same problem. Remember earlier when I was like, I'm sitting there and I'm like, fuck, man, do I want to short? Like everybody in the chat's like, Patrick, look at it. Look at the bear flag, Patrick. And I'm like, nope, I'm not going to fuck with it. I didn't like it, because in the past when I do that, when I try to short right before the news comes out, it chops around and it fucks me. So like today, what did I do? I was like, hey, even though the chat was giving me shit,
I got funded following
the chat's making fun of me because I don't want to take a trade.
I can't just reverse trade myself.
It's like, I was waiting. And then look at how much better this setup was. This setup from fucking 190 up there to the 280. I mean, that was fucking gold, baby. That was a way better risk to reward. The risk to reward here was amazing. Trying to get short right here, it's just like, I don't like it. What's my reward? There it is. Scott Trades, hey, I will tell anybody, if you're having problems losing in the first 30 minutes, guess what? The easiest and the simplest answer to that is to just avoid the opening 30 minutes, honestly. You know what I mean? Like that will, it'll make your life so much easier. Just try that out, just try it for a month, for a week, whatever it is. Just try to not trade the first 30 minutes. Just try it. Just try it. Just try it out. What's it going to hurt? It won't hurt you, right? Like you might see something different. Because again, I used to be that guy that I would try to jump into every little move, right? Every little move. Because I would try to trade every little fucking move. And what happened? I'd have a red trade and then I'd go on tilt and then I'd try to trade the next move and I'd be trying to reverse my trade and I'd be fucking, like I had to figure out what works best for me mentally. What works best for me mentally is to wait, kind of like avoid the FOMO, let myself like see the FOMO, believe that if I like, hey, I feel the FOMO. Okay, so what am I not gonna do? Like, I'm not gonna fucking trade this, right? I'm like, ugh. If I'm feeling that FOMO, then it ain't good. But then if I'm like, ooh, look at this. Like the fact that we basically took out that low, like we took out this low right here, we kind of trapped below there, and then we got back up into here. Like then I'm like, ooh, I like that. Like I get excited about that setup. I don't know. The internet's a funny place because everybody just wants to get rich quick, and I've tried, right? Like I've tried to be, I've tried to trade the fucking 1 minute chart at open and be like, oh, I'm in, I'm out, I'm in, I'm out, I'm in, I'm out. It don't work. Maybe it works for you, but it don't work for me. So that's kind of like my 2 cents, right? That's kind of like what I've had to do to get to where I'm at. Am I a perfect trader? Am I the best trader in the fucking world? No. But am I a lot better than most people? Yes. Right? Like that, it is what it is. Like you can hate me, you can love me, but like, hey, whatever I am doing seems to be working. It might not work for you, and that's fine. But you have to figure out what works best for your style of trading, what your like mental. Some people really like to just like get into a trade, put their stop loss, and then walk away, and then like not even think about it, which is like, hey, that's cool. I can't do that, right? I'm just like, I have to micromanage. So I'm like, okay, like how can I stop myself from over trading, right? I got to be patient. I got to like wait for those setups, and I'm like, damn, like it's a very obvious setup, right? Like the fact that, hey, we push up through here, right? We push up through here, like where's our next target at? Where's the next target? Well, I mean, that opening range, high. And trust me, I've had plenty of red days. I've blown up thousands of accounts. I've done everything that you could possibly do in the prop firm space. I have, right? Like I just have, and I've been honest about it. So the best thing you can do is just try to avoid that FOMO, man.
Yeah, I guess after being transferred live, I got greedy. More contracts, and I have a 2K DLL.
Someone said, would you get short here for the move back down? I mean, why? I would not get short here. You still have that gap from yesterday's close all the way up there. I'm not saying we're going to go all the way up there, but I mean, I wouldn't get short here. Go short once we put in a lower high. The only way I would get short is if we basically like dump down into here, right? Like we move down into here, and then we put a lower high, and then maybe we move lower. But also, look at the bigger time frames. We broke above these little highs, that resistance there already. Now we're at this key level, 19,300. Not a short. And you could be like, yeah, but it's going to go down. Hey, if it goes down, that's fine. Right? Like, I don't know. It is funny because like I get to hear people's like reactions, all types of traders who have been trading for a long time, traders who have been trading for a short time, traders who have no idea what they're doing. And it's always such a mixed bag of like answers, right? Because everybody like looks at the chart and they're like, oh man, look, it's a short. And then I'm like, well, kind of looks like a long to me. Kind of looks like it wants to be a long. How long have I been trading for? About 8 years now. I know it's crazy to think. I did not go to college. I have no idea what I'm doing. But what I have done, what I have done, to be honest? I've just kept showing up, right? Like, I just kept fucking showing up. I know, like, people just don't believe it was that simple, but I'm telling you, like, it was that simple, right? Like, I just kept showing up. Is that, like, I don't know. I don't know if it's, like, easy to understand, but, like, I just kept fucking showing up, man. That is literally all I did as a trader. There was not one book, there was not one course, there was not one mentor, there was not one person that was like, oh man, when I talked to that guy, when I bought that guy's course, I really figured it out, right? No, because at the end of the day, trading bull flags, bear flags, ICT, fucking whatever you trade, it's all the same shit. Either the market's going up or the market's going down. We use indicators, we use other bullshit to kind of be like, hey, okay, I see this, right? Like, do I need these EMAs on the chart to be like, oh my God, the market's going up? No, I don't, but what do we get? 2-minute EMA cross. So it's like when I see that, we pulled back into that 21, I like it. You know, I like it. How do you establish your primary bias for the day? See, that you don't do it. Well, I mean, I didn't really journal because I traded, I mean, I have a live stream, you know, I day trade live on YouTube. So it's not really like, I guess I do journal in the sense, you know, I sit here and talk to you guys every day about my life and my trading and stuff. So it's kind of like a video journal, but like, I don't sit here and like read a fucking journal every day. I don't even watch these videos ever again. I make a video and never watch it again. I'm like, I don't want to listen to my fucking self talk about trading, you know? But yeah, I think for today, the bias, this is what I was saying before market open, right? We had this big candle down. We took out this low. We took out this low. We took out this low. So it's like, what's my bias at that point? I don't think we're going to keep just going straight down. You know? That's my personal belief. That doesn't mean I was right. It doesn't mean I was wrong. But when I see the fucking 4-hour candle go straight down like that, I'm like, huh. You know, huh. I mean, you know, maybe we get a little bit of a reversal at some point. You were right about not trading before the news. Hey, haters, the chat was all mad at me for not taking a short earlier, but I mean, the long off the bottom was a lot better play than that fucking short. From 171 down to the 120. I got in fucking long here above this breakout. 190 up there to the 330s now. So explain trend is your friend. Well, look at the bigger time frame. What is the trend on the bigger time frame? It's pointing up, right? So this move today.
It'll take a very long time to go back to 32K from 18K, even if I pull it off somehow.
Sing, you keep I mean, I don't know what kind of answer you want from me. You got to start small, man. You just got to start it. Like, don't worry about your balance. How about that? Hey, Sing, how about that? I'll give you a secret answer. Don't look at your fucking balance. Don't look at your P&L. Just put on good trades and shut up. You know, don't worry about it. Don't worry what your drawdown is. Don't worry about any of that. Just put on fucking trades, make money, lock it out, and walk away. You know? It's like, yeah, it might take you a while to get back to the top of that drawdown or whatever you're looking at, but like, hey, it is what it is. You know, what are you going to do about it? You're going to cry about it? You're going to quit trading? You know? What are you going to do? You're nothing you can do. You just got to go for it. And remember, guys, I was in drawdown recently with my Tradeify accounts. Remember when I had Tradeify, the Tradeify live account? I talked about it, how, you know, I was down. I was down bad in my Tradeify live account. At one point, this account, I think it was down. I was down to like $10,000 in this account, my Tradeify live account. I started out with $27,000, and then I was down to $10,000, and now I'm up to $75,000. But what makes me a better trader than anybody else out there? Nothing. I have no advantage. I'm not a genius. I didn't go to college. I don't have a billionaire fucking, mentor. I have no advantage over anybody else. The only advantage that I have is I'm stubborn and I keep showing up. Right? And that's all. Yeah, and if I didn't have the $10,000 cap, I would be up huge right now. They fucked me today. I seriously don't know what the fuck. Look at this. What a joke. I don't even know how that happened. I was long for this pushback above the 170s. It took me out at 19,200. That was not even anywhere near my target. That would have been another 100 points back to the upside there. Do I wait for a candle close to enter breakouts or look at momentum? Mostly momentum. Does Apex do that to you? No, this is Tradeify. They normally don't do this, but to be honest, they did it because I was in drawdown, right? Yeah, like I said, I got transferred into the live funded account with Tradeify. I transferred 27,000 into this account, and then I was down. I was down like 10,000. I was down. You know? Where did I get money to start trading? Savings? I don't know. I fucking started working when I was like 8 years ago, 9 years ago. Am I done trading for the day? I think so. I can't put a trade on. I'm locked out of this account, so. And then my personal account is also very much in the green, so. Has Apex ever denied me any payouts? Well, yeah, they have not. But again, yeah, I mean.
But yeah, I am happy for you. At least one of us made money, ha ha ha.
Apex, let's just say it would be very, very bad for a prop firm to deny Patrick Wieland a payout. Let's, you know, like, it would just be bad. It'd be bad for business. So I can't really comment on that. I think, you know, with Apex, as long as you follow the rules, you don't gamble, you don't go crazy, you don't go full tilt, you don't fucking swing with the largest size all the time, then you're going to get a payout. They did it to TBM. Well, I mean, look at the numbers. TBM versus PW. It's not the fucking, not nowhere near the different, we are nowhere in the same fucking realm. Yeah, Daniel Hussey, he's got 300K accounts. He got paid out. He's not an influencer or anything. And I'm not talking shit about TBM either. Like, I like the guy. I do. But let's be honest. When it comes to who's the biggest swinging dick in the industry, I think we all know. It's not much of a competition. FFF screwed me, man. Well, I wonder why. Why would anyone use FFF? Jade Cap? Jade Cap is nowhere near me. He got one big payout. Who the fuck cares? You know, like, what? Just because you got one big payout does not make you the fucking biggest swinging dick in the industry. Let's be honest. And I made more in affiliate commissions that he made from his payout. So I guess, you know, I win. No, I don't have beef with him. I like Jade Cap. He's actually coming to the BDH. But it's funny because people are like now comparing, you know, they're like, oh, yeah, but Jade Cap, he got a way bigger payout than you. Jade Cap is not better than me. What does that even mean? He's going to come to the BDH and I'm going to spank his ass. The same way hey, what trader has come to the BDH and spanked me? Exactly. Not one. Rips will be here in June. Hey, I do this live every day. Every day, baby. Jade Cap's not that guy. That's the thing is y'all get so caught up in what? What do y'all get caught up in? You know what I mean? Like, what do y'all get caught up in? What do you, like, you're riding some dude's dick on the internet? Like, Jade Cap, man, he's the best. Well, like, why? You don't know how he trades. You don't know what he does. You know? You got no idea. Don't start riding dudes' dicks on the internet if you got no idea. Focus on your own money, you know? Focus on your own money. Why are you so angry? I'm not even angry. I'm green. I'm happy. Boom. Yes, Rips will be here in the beginning of June. First week of June, Rips will be at the BDH. Ooh, buddy. All right, I think I'm going to walk away. I'm moving today. We got to be moving. And how did you and Rips make up? I don't know. You got to remember, guys, the internet is the internet, right? That's it. You know, like, it's the internet's, I know it sounds funny to say that, but like, at the end of the day, the internet is the internet. What you see on the internet is not always real. You know, I mean, I definitely beef with people, but like in real life, I'll see them and make it funny, you know, like it's not like I've called plenty of people fucking morons and then I meet them in real life and I can be totally friends with them. It doesn't hurt me. You gotta remember, this is entertainment, right? There's a lot of entertainment. So you should have Casper. See, I draw the line there. I will never have Casper. I will never make up with Casper. Casper is a piece of shit. He sold drugs to people, and well, if you guys know my past, my brother overdosed on heroin, and well, Casper, I just can't go. I can't come back from that. No offense to the guy, but he's a piece of shit. That's it. Danny Trades. Yeah, Danny Trades actually texted me. He texted me yesterday, actually. He got a new phone number and he texted me. He wants to be my friend so badly. So you're here every day? Every day I'm here. I'm here every day, baby. Doing this live. And if you don't believe me, I mean, hey, check out Tradeify. On the board, Monday, top number 1 on the board. Tuesday, number 2 on the board. I was slacking yesterday. El Chapo distracted me. He distracted me. I couldn't put on big size. I was distracted by his beautiful looks. But today, again, we'll be on the board here. Once again, $10,000 in my Tradeify live account. The balance of the account is at $74,000. So you were down 10K. No, I was down $17,000 in my live account. In the Tradeify live account. Yeah, 17,000. So hey, if you got people get so caught up in like drawdown. If you're in drawdown, your account's down, whatever, who cares? It's now we just build back. We put on more trades, make more money. You know? Will you stream while you're in Hawaii? I will. I'll be streaming the whole time. I'll be in Hawaii all of July, and I'll stream every morning at 3 a.m. Eastern. But yeah, I think a lot of people get very like, they get obsessed or they get like all emotional whenever they're like in drawdown. I mean, I did the same thing, but only way to get out of drawdown is to fucking, is to just trade. That's all. I mean, that's the only way to do it. The only way to get out of drawdown is the fucking trade. So, which island? I'll be on Kona, Hawaii. Gonna be fishing, marlin fishing. Will you stream at 8 a.m. with Rips? When Rips is here, maybe we do 8 a.m. I'll talk to him when he wants to go live, I guess. But if you guys want to, somebody asked me earlier about how to see the news. Well, head on over there to onlyprofirms.com. You can compare all the latest and greatest deals. Use the code PW, always the best deals. You know how we do. But if you go down there on the Only Prop Firms website, you can see with the calendar, free calendar, the news today, all the news, everything's on there. Economic calendar, pull it up. Tomorrow we got the initial jobless claims. We got the ISM manufacturing PMI, and then non-farm payroll there on Friday as well. And then also, if you go here, you can do the prop firm comparison. and compare the different prices depending on, you'll see exactly what prop firm has the best deals. Like right now, the 150K account, if you look, where did Apex go? Oh, there we go. Yeah. So right now, like the 150K account, Apex, $189 all-in cost, true cost of funding. You've got the Funded Futures Network, very similar price, and then Tradeify, $200, $250 for take profit traders. So there it is. Check them out. Onlyprofirms.com. Compare the best deals always. And yeah. There it is. But yeah, we got a lot. There's a lot of stuff on there. I'm going to work on some like free videos as well, kind of talking about some secrets to prop firms and some things you can focus on to get payouts and all that all that stuff. So there it is. Onlyprofirms.com. Learn how to trade futures. Prepare for the trading day. Prop firm comparison tool. We got it all, baby. I got to get out of here. I'm going to kind of just skedaddle. Look at that. 350 now, the Nasdaq. What is the BDH? The BDH is the Big Dick House. Are you going to live stream in Hawaii? Yes. There'll be no power hour today. I got to move. I'm moving my boat, moving my dock, moving into a new house today. So I got to get all that ready and going. So look at the Nasdaq. I mean, fuck. I'm not going to lie. I probably would have taken profit already, but I'm still pretty butthurt about the whole Tradeify thing. I should have easily made fucking $20,000 on that trade. Easily. That should have been an easy $20,000 trade right there. And I'm pretty butthurt about it. On the day, I'm up like 20,000, 10,000, 50,000. Like, I think I'm up about 70,000 on the day. No, 80,000 on the day. Yeah, 80,000 on the day. So, congratulations if you guys took that long there earlier above the 200s. It was pretty clear to see. Kind of pushing up into that 300 level. And look at the Nasdaq. Nice little reversal here. And the buyers, remember, buyers want to buy low, sellers want to sell high. You know? You know what I mean? That's just how it goes. All right. Trying to see what else is going on, but that's it. Locked in the profit. Done for the day. Can always make more, but fuck. I should have made more. I should have made more there, man. Fucking fuck. It is what it is. Can you explain the strategy of the orb? Go on YouTube, right? On my YouTube channel, there are lots and lots of really good videos that you can watch that explain all types of stuff, like the opening range, you know, all that. Look at this. There's a whole video right here. Check this out. There's a whole video of me going through, back testing,
right now we're below the 20
you know.
EMA, we're below the VWAP there. Let's see what happens.
There's lots of videos on my YouTube channel.
Through the middle of the 15-minute range. We talked about this before. A lot of times when the market moves back through the middle of that 15-minute.
I went back and back tested the opening range breakout for like a whole month, talking about it, the move, what I'm looking at there. So
how that works in terms of
damn, I'm sexy.
And stops and stuff. The next range opening here. All right,
so
we got an opening range break to the upside here.
Yeah, what was it? The Chapo strategy today, the 4-hour close. I mean, El Chapo yesterday, everybody was talking shit in the chat about him, but look at that. The low of that candle was 19,106. The low of that candle, 103. So we swiped that 4-hour candle, and then we ripped straight back up. Ever since we took that low, we have now just pushed straight back up. That 10 o'clock candle, he would have been, looking for that swipe of the 4-hour candle. So basically, he would have been taking that long here. And look at that. So the 2-minute, look at the 2-minute chart with the EMA. I got the 9 EMA, the 20 EMA, 21 EMA. We crossed right there, and we have just been bouncing off that 21 EMA all day long. So 30 minutes, double bottom. Well, it was like we kind of swiped that low, but then took it up. There it is. We'll be back tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. live right here at the BDH. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button. Thank you guys for tuning in. I know you can, there's lots of opportunities, other places, people out there trying to tell you how they can make you lots and lots of money. But trust me, my friends, ain't nobody doing it like this. Ain't nobody doing it like this. There's a reason that I'm the biggest. I'm the largest. Because that's how we do it every day. Live at the motherfucking BDH, baby!
Metro on that beat. I pull that down like to see you winning. They wanna see you in a penitentiary. I need me a little baby who gon' listen. Girl, I don't wanna be the one you hear, girl. My mama told me, boy, make a decision. Right now I gotta keep a ton of vision.
Ain't nothing better than winning, boys. Fuck. I've made a lot of money in my life, but there ain't nothing better than fucking winning. Woo!
They wanna see you in a penitentiary. I need me a little baby who gon' listen. Girl, I don't wanna be the one you hear, girl. My mama told me, boy, make a decision. Right now I gotta keep a ton of vision. They sending all my homies on a mission. And I ain't tryna miss out on these millions. I chucked up out the red, call that volatility. I get in the girl I want, in the girl I want. She want me to say today, but I ain't got a cake. She wanna see me every day, she wanna be my baby. That money make me come and make me fornicate. On this shit, I need some toilet paper. But follow my player rules and we gon' be okay. On the real, I need a bitch who gon' cooperate. I pull that down like to see you winning. They wanna see you in a penitentiary. I need me a little baby who gon' listen. Girl, I don't wanna be the one you hear, girl. My mama told me, boy, make a decision. Right now I gotta keep a ton of vision. I need me a little baby who gon' listen. Girl, I don't wanna be the one you hear, girl. But Kodak, they don't like to see you winning. They wanna see you in a penitentiary. I need me a little baby who gon' listen. Girl, I don't wanna be the one you hear, girl. My mama told me, boy, make a decision. Right now I gotta keep a ton of vision.
Look at that car.
My homies on a mission. And I ain't tryna miss out on these millions. I told you niggas I won't be that fucking nigga. Everything be good until you doing better than them. They wanna see a nigga shot, see me in the system. All you niggas out here poison like snake venom. Codeine in my liver, rockin' Balenciaga denim. I'm booted even when I'm sober, I don't need a jiggle. They sending all my niggas on a fucking joint. I told that baby to come over cause I'm fucking horny. My mama told me, kitty nigga, son, keep it going. I'm thug.
Got a real good one for you, boy.
Look who that boy, they hate
Little Kodak in the mission.
They miss when you was in that Yoda kicking doors. I pull that down like to see you winning. They wanna see you in a penitentiary. I need me a little baby who gon' listen. Girl, I don't wanna be the one you hear, girl. My mama told me, boy, make a decision. Right now I gotta keep a ton of vision. I need me a little baby who gon' listen. Girl, I don't wanna be the one you hear, girl. But Kodak, they don't like to see you winning. They wanna see you in a penitentiary. I need me a little baby who gon' listen.
See y'all tomorrow.
Wanna be the one you hear, girl. My mama told me, boy, make a decision. Right now I gotta keep a ton of vision. They sending all my homies